I've got a little project going here. I have a web browser up. I'm connected to my hotspot, and I've got my ESP8266 connected to a hotspot and a relay board. I got a power supply and a door latch that's electrically done on a 10 second timer. So it opens the door for 10 seconds when I click the on button. The only problem is I have to also click the off button even though it has a timer, or it gives me some kind of error. But as long as I click it on and then I click off, then I don't get the error. But if I click on and I don't click off, it still goes off after the 10 seconds, but I lose my connection. I'm not quite sure what has caused that. Trying to figure it out. Back page, I'm back on. Click off. There it is. It's working like a charm.